Welcome to your ultimate outdoor comfort upgrade with the RTDTD 11-piece patio furniture set featuring a 45-inch 55,000 BTU propane fire pit table. Crafted from high-density PE rattan and a rust-proof steel frame, this set promises durability and weather resistance for years to come. The cushions are designed with thick, soft sponge and cotton, featuring splash-proof, fade-resistant covers with secure straps and Velcro to keep them in place. The fire pit table offers multi-level temperature control with 3 heat settings and a one-touch ignition for instant warmth. 2 swivel rocking chairs provide 360-degree rotation and smooth rocking for maximum relaxation. A tempered glass side table adds convenience for drinks or snacks while you unwind. Flexible assembly with built-in clips and adjustable feet lets you customize your outdoor space perfectly. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.